Kingston remains the country's commercial mecca, and with the grand plans for the city's redevelopment, surely will come expanded business and traffic flowing in and out of a busier commercial district. So, upgrading work is underway on one of the main road corridors connecting downtown Kingston with westerly areas to ease traffic congestion for motorists.
The project is about improving the flow of traffic from east to west along Marcus Garvey Drive. Some years ago, when the Portmore Toll was constructed, a section of Marcus Garvey Drive was widened. This project is about improving from 4th Avenue, where that project had ended, up to Petron Street, which is roughly 2.4 kilometers.
A National Works Agency survey reveals that about 40,000 vehicles travel along this roadway in both directions daily. The latest improvement work, which started in March 2016, will see the targeted section of the road being upgraded from its current 4 lanes to 6. The drainage infrastructure is also being enhanced. This should significantly mitigate the likelihood of flooding caused by weather conditions. Undulations or sinking of road surface areas due to base failure is also expected to be a thing of the past.
We have improved the drainage significantly. We have constructed, we have widened the Tivoli Gully as well as the Shoemaker Gully. We have put in a number of new culverts. We have lifted the road in some sections by as much as 3 feet. We have put down a stabilized cement base, which is a concrete base.
Asphaltic concrete paving is being laid on top of the stabilized concrete base, making the road more durable. Realignment of a section of Marcus Garvey Drive should also see commuters having easier transition onto Harbour Street.
We are straightening that kink that's out at Water Lane, between Water Lane and Petron Street, so that persons can make a smooth transition from Marcus Garvey Drive onto Water Lane, onto Petron Street, and go about their business.
The design of the road is expected to give it a lifespan of up to 50 years, during which time no major fixing would be required.
It is of highway standard, which is the highest degree that we can go, and so it is on that basis, we are saying that the corridor will perform much better than it had been for many, many years.
Lanes going in opposite directions are being separated by a concrete median barrier. Necessary signage and road markings are also being installed. To keep pedestrians safe, sidewalks are being built on both sides of the road.
We are also going to be installing traffic signals at 6 intersections with pedestrian facilities, so pedestrians should have an easier time or easier access to get across this very busy corridor. We hope that persons will use the facilities that they are going to be provided with.
As part of the safety measures, the speed limit on Marcus Garvey Drive will remain at 50 kilometers per hour, which is in line with safety standards for roads in built-up areas. The construction is being done under the Major Infrastructure Development Program and is set to be completed by April 2017. The contractor is China Harbour Engineering Company, and the $20.5 million project is being financed through a concessionary loan from the Chinese government. The National Works Agency has oversight of the construction, which has provided work for more than 100 persons.
We have to ensure that the pavement thickness as planned is constructed. We have to ensure that the quality of the material that is planned is placed, and the quality of the workmanship.
Development of roads do drive social and economic development, and this road promises much with its improved capacity, linking the island's main commercial district, the Kingston Freeport Terminal, and the Norman Manley International Airport. The improvement should reduce traffic on the road, cut travel time, and offer other benefits that improve quality of life for persons who must use it.